What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today I want to talk about the number one thing people don't like to hear about anxiety recovery. All right, so if you're watching this, congratulations, because you're probably one out of every 3 or 4 people that saw the title and was like, I'm gonna click this, I'm up for the challenge. All right, shows that you got some fight in you. It shows that you don't want to just know the easy stuff. And that's the problem when it comes to anxiety recovery. People want the easy route, the easy road, the easy path, the quick fix, the quick cure. And I'm here to tell you that there's none of that. There's none of that. I looked, I searched, wasted a lot of time. And a lot of you guys that are watching, especially probably most of the people that didn't click on this video, they're wasting time, or you're wasting time. All right, there's pain and suffering that comes with recovery. All right, I want you to grasp onto that and to move forward with that. But we're going to talk about this concept today, this mindset. If you start applying this mindset today and fix some of these issues that you've been dealing with, I'm telling you, recovery is not only going to be possible, but you're going to get there a lot faster. I wish I would have applied this within the first couple months of developing my fears, my triggers, my symptoms. Things would have been so much different, right? Well, I say I wish. Maybe I wouldn't be here helping you. So everything kind of happened for a reason when it came to my situation. I'm here to help you guys. But my goal for this channel is to shorten your journey and to shorten your recovery process. So if you start applying this, I'm telling you, it's going to take you to another level. All right, but you know what time it is. Smash the like button down below if you're ready to kick anxiety in the butt today. All right, we really are going to kick anxiety in the freaking butt today. If you tried this mindset or this concept or this perspective change, let us know down below. I'm sure you've had some great results. I've kind of talked about it a little bit on this channel, but I've just worded it differently. And sometimes wording is everything. Just me saying it in a different way, it can hit different, right? I talk to my coaching clients about this in some fashion. Again, maybe different wording for this person or this person, but it's something that I really try to bring home for them. And we're going to talk about that a little bit today. So there's a lot of value in this video, so watch it all. First of all, what's easy to somebody is different from person to person, and what's hard to somebody is different from person to person. Caitlin over here could be a workout warrior, but changing her diet up is hard, or exposure is hard for her, right? Or mindfulness is hard. While Jonathan over here is terrified to work out because he has heart anxiety or cardiophobia like I did, but he has no problem switching up the diet. That's easy for him. So what we do is we find out a lot of things that are good for our anxiety recovery in the beginning, which is great, and we start to ease our way into it, which is great. We get a routine, and we really start doing the things that are easy for us in recovery. Again, that's different from person to person. And what we want is we want the things that are easy for recovery to eventually get us so much momentum and to make our anxiety go from 100 or 99%, all the way down to 5 to 10%. So then we have the courage, or we're able to do those things that are hard, right? But I'm telling you, you're not going to be able to get it down that low, at least 99.9% of the time. There is going to be pain and there's going to be suffering in recovery. Anytime you grow or level up in life, it wasn't by accident. You put in the time, the effort, the work, the pain, and the suffering, the sweat, the tears to get there. So why would anxiety recovery be any different? It'd actually be a little bit more harder, in my opinion. We're going up against fear, man, deep fear. If you have health anxiety, you're trying to overcome the fear of death or disease, or you know what I mean? We're dealing with these crippling symptoms while we're having to work out or expose, right? We're having panic attacks where we feel this impending doom, like we're going to die. So it's going to be freaking hard. There's going to be pain. There's going to be suffering, right? Once you accept that, this whole process gets easier. So I'm going to just get right to it real quick. I don't want to drag this video out. The things that you are most reluctant to do are going to be the things that set you free or speed you up towards your goal of recovery. I'll say it again. The things that you are most reluctant, we can say hesitant, or most fearful to do, are the things that are going to set you free and get you to recovery, because it makes sense. So those are the things that you're the most afraid of. The things that you're scared to do, right? But if you start to do them, you're going to have this explosive growing process. You're going to rewire faster by avoiding, running from them, staying in your safe zone, staying in your safe bubble, doing the things that are easy. Again, that can differ from person to person. You're not going to get that much growth. You may be a little bit better off. Maybe you manage a little bit better. Maybe you're healthier for some of the things that you're doing. That's great. That's good. I'm not trying to bash you doing the things that are easy for recovery. They're still good things, right? But the things that are hard, the things that are tough, the things that you're not doing, that's what's going to get you there. Stop waiting. Stop waiting. And I've told you guys this story. I'm not going to elaborate too much, but I had heart anxiety and cardiophobia for the first 2.5 years. So it was easy for me to change my diet up and eat healthier. It was easy for me to watch a few meditation videos and try to do some positive affirmations, right? It was easy for me to go to the doctor and to get checked up for them to tell me that my heart was healthy. What wasn't easy? Testing it myself and going out and doing aggressive exercise. I would ease my way into it and then I'd talk myself out. So I didn't aggressively exercise for 2.5 years. I was reluctant to do it, right? I was fearful to do it. I was hesitant to do it. But when I finally freaking did it, especially whenever I was having symptoms and panic, that was the thing that set me free from my heart anxiety. In one freaking night, having a panic attack and going out and running and doing it aggressively showed me finally, after all the tests from the specialists and the doctors, that I didn't have a heart problem. I didn't have any cardiac issues. I wasn't having heart attacks. I was like, oh my God. Why did I not push myself and do this a long time ago? And I'm just using exercise for an example. This could be exposure with driving, going into a long line, or a long drive-through line, a long line at Walmart. It could be just being out around people, whatever things that you're reluctant and scared to do, even down to things like meditation and diet change, are going to be the things that set you free. Okay? That's where you experience the most growth. All right, so start applying that today. If you watch this video all the way to this point, guys, first of all, thank you. It's supporting me. It helps me get this video out to more people. I don't expect this video to get a lot of views, but I want you to go down below in the comment section and I want you to put in all caps, I will do hard things. I will do hard things. All right. Thank you so much for watching this. And guys, remember, if you want some extra help with your recovery, if you want the total package, the whole blueprint, the step-by-step process that saved me, saved my life, got me out of panic, health anxiety. There were many other battles aside from the exercise thing. There were many other fears and triggers and symptoms that I dealt with over 5 years. But I was able to overcome that. If you want that recovery plan, if you want that blueprint, if you want the step-by-step process, my Elite Anxiety Bootcamp is down below in the description and in the first pinned comment. I'm actually going to add a code on here, either on the screen or down there, to help save a few bucks if you're going through a hard time right now. Use that code to help you out. There are other resources down below. Try online therapy. If you've never tried therapy, you need to try it out. I'm going to put a link for online therapy down below. You can do it on the phone, the laptop, the PC. There's going to be some other resources. Some of my favorite anxiety journals are down there. My coaching information. I know I mentioned coaching on here. It's just a one-on-one kind of call program that I do, so get some extra help with that. All my social media is down there. Please subscribe, guys, if you are new. Likely, if you're new, you probably haven't watched this far, but if you have subscribed to my channel, thank you. But please hit the bell so you can get notified when I put these videos out. But I love you guys, and until next time, keep fighting.